Are you already doing serious work, managing deadlines, handling stakeholders, solving problems, keeping projects moving? And have you ever felt like your experience is not being recognized at the level it deserves? Maybe you have sat in meetings and realized that the person with the stronger certification or title is the one everyone listens to first, even when you understand the work just as well. That gap is real because in today's workplace, hard work alone is not always enough. You also need the credibility that helps your experience carry more weight. That is why PMP certification training matters. PMP helps strengthen your project management foundation, improves your exam readiness, and positions you with a globally respected certification that signals competence, structure, and professional credibility. At J.K. Michaels, our PMP certification training is designed to help serious professionals prepare with clarity, confidence, and also the right support. I'll give you an example of our alumni Tunde. He had been handling project responsibilities for some time, but still felt the experience was not getting the recognition it deserved. After preparing properly for the PMP, he began showing up with stronger confidence, clearer structure, and a level of professional credibility that changed how people responded to him. If you're ready to stop being overlooked and start building the kind of project management credibility that opens bigger doors, this is your next step. Join the J.K. Michaels PMP certification trainings today. See you in class. Think training, think J.K. Michaels. Think training impact, think J.K. Michaels. Bye for now.